Hello, Merry Christmas. So, yeah, they're complete. Um, Here's a crazy thing. It's like not crazy, but it's it's alright. So, the first three I got them on Thanksgiving. So him, her, and her Thanksgiving, and then these two right here I got them today, which is Christmas. So, um, yeah, it's Beast, Raven, Starfire, Robin. That one is a girl, so I don't know what to name her. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I don't know, something with um, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna name her, but yep. At least I got four of um, well, five, but I don't know what to name her. I really don't know. Him, I'm gonna name Robin because Robin has a yellow and green cape, right? So Robin, basically. Um, yeah, that's the squad right there. Merry Christmas. Um, yeah. Comment and comment what to name her. I don't. Just comment. Merry Christmas. Peace.